Are you working with Qiskit and looking to break into a career in quantum computing? Well, unless you're already publishing research papers in the field, this space can be tough to crack. That's exactly why IBM Quantum created the Qiskit Developer Certification. And today, we're excited to announce the launch of version 2.0. The updated exam certifies your skills in the latest version of Qiskit. Pass it, and you'll have a strong credential to add to your resume, a badge for your LinkedIn profile, and speaking as someone who's been a hiring manager, it's definitely something that stands out. But let me be clear, this isn't the kind of test you want to walk into unprepared. The exam is 90 minutes long with 60 multiple choice questions that test your ability to use and understand Qiskit. Also, you won't have access to resources such as the internet, a calculator, or even paper and pencil. So to give yourself the best shot at success, here's how to prep. You should already be familiar and comfortable with linear algebra, trigonometry on the unit circle, and the basics of quantum mechanics. If you're not, start with chapters 1 and 2 of John Watrous' Understanding Quantum Information and Computation series. It's a great foundation. Now, the exam covers these major areas: single qubit gates and operations, quantum circuit construction and visualization, parameterized circuits, Qiskit runtime and primitives, including the sampler v2 and estimator v2, error mitigation and suppression, the Qiskit runtime job object, OpenQASM 3, and finally, the Qiskit runtime REST API. And no matter which topics you're strong or weak in, the Qiskit documentation is your best friend. Dive deep into the examples and API references. It's all there. 2 more great series to check out to prep are Understanding Quantum Information and Computation and Quantum Computing in Practice, both available on the Qiskit YouTube channel and on the IBM Quantum Learning platform. I'll link them below. Of course, getting your hands dirty with Qiskit using Python will give you the experimental knowledge required for the exam. Be sure to focus on the topics enumerated and take your time. Study smart, and when you're ready, go crush it. Good luck, future quantum dev.